this is the architecture of Whittler, the AlphaBot. So these are the communication channels which an end user can communicate to. This is the main AlphaBot, and these are two types of applications which are interacting with this AlphaBot. Now I'll tell you about the end user. So end user can communicate it via voice. You can simply talk to him like you're talking to some other person, or they can text him via Skype or Kik or any of the connectors available. Second thing is this AlphaBot. I'll just, before AlphaBot, I'll tell you about those applications. So I have divided these applications into two types. One is the one-way application, which are written specifically to connect with the AlphaBot. These are basically command-based application, like you have a camera sitting outside your home and capturing you and telling inside that this person has entered or this person has came in. The second type of application is the two-way applications, which a user can directly interact via Skype or something, or AlphaBot can communicate with him and tell you the final output. These kind of applications, for example, the car application. If you have a car installed in if your car have a bot, like my car have a bot installed and running, what it does, if I can directly ping to it, and it will revert me saying this is the temperature of my car or the temperature whatever it is. Similarly, it can directly, if I ask to AlphaBot what is the temperature outside or is it cold outside, then it will send that message to this car bot, and the car bot will connect to the bot, the actual bot, and reply saying this is the temperature outside, and which AlphaBot will tell me via speakers and all. Right, now I will just show you. So these are the voice and text based, both applications available. Text, this is because this is a connector, you can do it via Skype or something. Then these are the socket or the protocol based, where these applications directly connect. This is a standard protocol which they follow, and they can connect to each other. Now let's switch back to the application which the user interface actually which I have written, which connect to the AlphaBot.